How to add recipient in Remitly mobile app. So let's get started. First, open the app, go down here and click recipients. Next, in the top right corner, click add. And now you need to write the name of your recipient. So mine will be Martin Rive. And I'm gonna put Slovak number. I'm gonna put my number just for example. And now you need to put his email address here. So his email address is one click later, and then street address. It's optional, so you don't need to do it. If you have his address, you can write it here, and then click save. And this is how can you add recipient. If you want to edit your recipient, click on your recipient, and in the top right corner there's edit, and you can also change the name, you can also change the number or email address. Also, you can delete your recipients here. Okay, and that's it. This is how can you do it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and if you want to support this channel, subscribe the channel, and see you later. Goodbye.